Welcome back to episode 2. Last time we talked shortcut. Today we will get into a single idea that runs all of the finance and it has two directions. Let's start with the first one. Money grows over time if it's invested. That means a rupee today is worth more than a rupee in the future. Future value asks, if I invest this today, what will it become? Present value asks the exact opposite. If I am promised money in future, what is that actual worth to me right now? Same concept, two directions. Let's build both. Firstly, the future value. Some time value of money assumptions. Let's assume that annual rate of return is 10%. The period for which the investment is done is 5 years and payment per year are 12. Means 12 installment every year are paid. Now the future value of a monthly investment of rupees 5,000 every month for 5 years at 10% annual rate would be rupees 3,90,412. Small monthly amount compounded over time becomes real money. Exactly opposite to it is the present value. Now flip it. Someone promises you rupees 20 lakhs but 10 years from now. At an 8% discounting rate, what's that actually worth today? It is 9,26,387. Less than half the face value. That's the gap between 20 lakhs and 9.2 lakhs. Is exactly why inflation, risk, and waiting all eats into the value of the future money. So, the future value tells you what today's money will become. Present value tells you what tomorrow's money is worth right now. Every bond price, every loan, every valuation model uses one of these two formulas, often both. Now here is where it gets practical. What happens when you are not investing a lump sum but paying a fixed amount every single month like a loan EMI? That's a special case of the same formula and it deserves its own episode. So episode 3 right after this shall discuss the same concept. Follow now so that you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.